Okay, YouTube. So, this is what the boat looks like, untouched. On the outside, it is a Century. It is a Raven 190, 1977. The boat only has 458 hours on it, but as you can see, it still has 47 years worth of oxidation going on. So we kind of lost some of the footage. I'm kind of new at this, so but anyways, this should suffice. So you can see that this is terribly oxidized, right? I mean, just absolutely. Now I'm about to show you the other side of the boat, and when we do that, what I want you to know is that the middle to the back of the boat has been sanded with a random, a random orbiting sander or dual action sander on this side, and the sun is not going to play along here. Boy. Okay, so this is pretty good. So you can see it's still dull because it's been, sanded to 600 grit, right? So, but there's still a couple of scratches right here that we have to try to at least minimize. I doubt that I'm going to get that out. That feels like it's all the way through the gel. But to let you know then, Teresa's been working back here and getting this all sanded. And then what I've been doing, just to show you how it ends up, right here is, more or less that's finished all the way through number 1 of the rubbing compound by 3M. And the next one that I'm going to do is the number 3 by 3M. There's the part number if you want that. And that's going to get this to be ready for a nice coat of wax. But that is a huge improvement from where we were. You can even see the reflection of the seat in the boat right there a little bit. So even at 3,000, you're getting a bit of a mirror shine. And in the next video, and maybe it'll be before this, I don't know what order I'm going to put these in, but I do want to show you that you can take a chalky 47 years nobody's touched it boat and put a mirror shine back on it. It takes a long time. It takes a lot of effort. Again, I'm going to go over that in just a bit, or maybe I already have. But do the steps, and then to maintain this, you just have to, every 6 months or so, or in my case, before winter and then immediately after winter, put a nice coat of a marine grade wax on it, and you should be all fine, and you should never have to go through all of this work again. All right, YouTube.